Hello everybody, and you are watching Showdown Publisher. Trouble merging PDFs? I have a solution. These are the two PDF files. I'm going to merge them. First let us see the PDF files. Once preview it. Okay, so this is PDF 1 and this is PDF 2. Now how do I merge them? Okay, so the solution is open your browser, for example Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, any supported browser. Now type in smallpdf.com. Now just scroll down a bit and just click on see all PDF tools, and now just go down and second last column on the first one, just click on it, merge PDF. It says merge PDF, and now just drag your files, or if it's not dragging or dropping, then I'll choose my files from here on the desktop. I select PDF 1 and 2 and open. Now it's uploading my files. Okay, so now I want to click on merge files and choose option. Okay, now I can also choose which one comes first. For example, now this image will come first and this will come in the second page, or I'll do this and this one will come first page and this is the second page. Okay, so I just want this to come first, so let's now click on merge PDF. Now as you can see, it's showing merging PDF, and now PDF 1 is merged. Okay, now how do I download? Just click on the download button and it's done. Okay, now as the download is done, we'll click on open file and you get the PDF ready. Okay, so the pages are, this is sample PDF made for testing purposes only, which I got at the first page, which I just selected over there on the engine, and here I get the image on the second page. So the PDF output is quite good, and you can merge PDFs on through this website smallpdf.com. Okay, so that's it, how to merge PDFs on your local computer. Like, share and subscribe to Showdown Publisher. Also ring the bell for more notifications, and thanks for watching.